I'm Aisha Kiani.
And I'm Latarsha King, and we are district science specialists. And today what we're going to do is talk to you about how to use a ruler and use a meter stick in science.
So you notice here I have a standard ruler that we're going to use. There are two sides on this ruler. There is the standard unit of measurement, which is in inches. The opposite side, if you notice, is in centimeters. And in science, we always use a metric system for measurement. Therefore, we're going to stick to measuring on the centimeter side. If you look closely at the ruler, if you notice on this side of the ruler, we have the centimeters, and right beside that you also have millimeters. A centimeter is approximately the size of one staple, and it starts not at the edge of this ruler. It actually starts at that first mark that is before the 1. That is where you place your object. So I have here a pack of Post-its. I'm going to place the pack of Post-its right at where the 0 starts. And if you notice, the measurement is past 7 centimeters. It's actually past the halfway point, so we're going to go ahead and round it off to 8 centimeters. Make sure you always have the students not start at the complete edge, but start at the 0 mark on the centimeter side of the ruler.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about how to use a meter stick in science. So a meter stick can be used to measure the height of the table, the length of the table. Also, it could be used to measure the distance of a rolling car or a marble. So what we're going to do today is we're going to measure the length of the table. When measuring the length of the table, it's same rules applies as the ruler. Is 1 inch equals to about the length of a stapler. So what we'll do is we'll start here at the edge of the table with the meter stick. And so, as you notice, the meter stick is shorter than the table. So what we're going to do is we're going to take my little marker here and we're going to mark off the end of the meter stick. And so the length of a meter stick is 100 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is I've marked it off so I know that this is where I will start at with the beginning of my meter stick. So I'm going to slide it down, or either I can pick it up, and I'm going to place my meter stick at the tip of my marker. So I'm going to go here to the end, and I'll notice that my meter stick measures about 82.7, so we don't use fractions or decimals when recording measurements. So I'm going to round it to the higher number, and it's going to be 83 centimeters. So now I'm going to record. I know that the distance from here to here is 100 centimeters, and from here to here is 83 centimeters, so I would add them together. So the length of the table would be 183 centimeters. Thank you.